And the engineers were like, these magic trains sure are great. They don't emit smoke or steam or anything. So let's just make these tunnels as small as possible and dig as few ventilation shafts as we possibly can, because apparently ventilation shafts frighten horses, and horses are a thing that will definitely outlast this metro line. So let's all go to the pub and have whatever terrible beer is available to drink in the current year, 1890. I might be paraphrasing a little bit, but that's basically what they said. Now, in fairness to Yole engineers who didn't foresee their tunnels gradually heating up to pig roasting temperatures over the course of 13 decades, these lines were originally entirely underground, and that would have ultimately kept them a whole lot cooler than they are now. So let's talk solutions, and because I'm in a bit of a mood, let's talk about why most of these solutions won't work. As an American, my first impulse when I see something that's too hot is to strap an AC on it. But unlike some of the Underground's other lines, which do have air-conditioned trains, this central line can't fit AC units on their trains because the tunnels are hardly big enough for the trains themselves. And even if you could design AC systems to fit on these trains, which they do plan to do by 2030, it's actually going to make the problem way worse. Ironically, air-conditioned trains tend to generate even more heat, since cooling down the inside of the cars means expelling hot air into the tunnels. This is one of the bigger cooling problems that the New York City subway faces, for example. So don't worry, Londoners, you're safe from the scourge of air-conditioned travel for at least another decade. The other somewhat obvious solution is to just dig more ventilation shafts. That's what they did on the other deep tube tunnels like the Jubilee.